We have about 2-3 power failures every week. Sometimes it can last few seconds, but sometimes it can last hours. No light, no air conditioning, and living in a Caribbean island, you need an air conditioner. During the day, it's not a problem, but if it's during the night, if we don't have a generator, then we back it up with batteries. We installed about 3 years ago seal-type batteries because the price at that time. After they were already gone, I was studying what kind of batteries and which brand I would like to have at home. Since we installed them for different customers, we were analyzing the different products and support. Okay, I got two V16 Pytes batteries. I got a Sol-Ark 15 kVA. I got a 70 kVA power generator with the sun panels. With Pytes from you, and it was excellent. So before I was going to buy the B5 batteries, but B16 are so compact and have a good price and a condensed battery capacity. Then I decided to install two of them. I was lacking of runtime with the seal-type batteries. With these two units, I can run for, let's say, about 10 to 12 hours continuously, using about 3,000 watts on the house. So it will give me a very good backup. Can use 90% of the battery capacity. With seal-type batteries, but acid, I can only use 50%. Taking into consideration pricing, at this moment, it's much better to go to lithium. Most of the people goes to very famous brands. But those famous brands that I cannot mention now cannot be recharged with a generator. The difference with Pytes is that you can recharge your batteries using your generator. I have neighbors that have those other brands, and if they have a prolonged power failure and there's no sun because it's raining, they cannot recharge the batteries. My experience with other brands have been not that good. With Pytes, I've got a really good support from the technical department. I say the product is as good as the support you have for them. Yeah, choose the proper place and have the proper tools to lift the batteries if they are going to be hanged on the wall. The hydraulic lift, you can use it. Maybe you can buy it through a supplier, Amazon, or maybe Pytes can provide it. Life is a lot easier with that kind of backup. Pytes power up better life.